This delicious banana apple smoothie reduces bad cholesterol. This is one easy for preparing and very healthy smoothie recipe that reduces bad cholesterol. After adding some spices like cinnamon, cardamom, or cloves, this smoothie gets a taste like apple pie. Also, it has an aromatic and sweet flavor without adding some chemicals or refined sugar. Health benefits of banana apple smoothie: reduce bad cholesterol, reduces the risk of Alzheimer's disease, reduces the risk of diabetes, increases stamina and physical strength of the body, protects against colon cancer, boosts the immune system, prevents cataracts, excellent affects shine and whiteness of skin, protects the heart, reduces the risk of asthma, makes your teeth whiter. Here is the recipe for this delicious and full of health smoothie. Ingredients: 2 apples, 1 banana, 1 cup coconut water, 2 to 3 dates. Preparation: all these ingredients, place it in a blender and blend well. You can also add some spices like cloves or cinnamon. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Share us your thoughts by commenting below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.